Alright, what's up guys? Today another video, and we're gonna be doing something a little different today. We're working on a car, but we're not working on a car. And what? If you've seen the last video, which was the end links, it was a sneak peek. Well, now you finally get to see what we're doing today, and it is something under the hood. Boom. Is it? Oops. Boom. What is it? It's dusty right now, so I haven't cleaned it. Yeah, maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do that. Hold on, 1 second. All right. Look at that, powder coated. Yeah, I kind of got a powder coating system, and I was testing out, and I kind of went powder coat crazy. But I didn't finish it. We still have to do this because it doesn't match. So today we'll be finishing the upper intercooler piping in the Evo, and a surprise at the end of the video. A surprise. Yes. So right now we're gonna start on that and so we're gonna take this off and then get to that, and you know, all that good stuff. So let's do it right now. All right, so first we're gonna take off this coolant plate and then get to the piping and do all that. So we're doing it. See if I can get it. Alright, everything's unbolted, so now we just gotta pull it out. Pull it out. Pull out the top first. Alright, that's there. Stay over there. Alright, that clamp can stay right there. Boom, now it's off. It's time to clean it up and get it prepped for the powder coat. Alright, so now that we got this out the car, we can prep it for the powder coat. But before we do that, there's like a little gouge in here. I'm trying to sand it out and see if we can get that out right now. So let me do that before we clean it. Alright, so now we got this sanded out. There's nothing there now. It's nice and clean. We're gonna pop out the stuff that can't take the heat. So we're gonna pop out this little bushing we have here. It's a sleeve, little bushing sleeve inside. Once you take that out, you should be able to get this rubber grommet out. Boom. Do the same on this side. Do a little bushing. Got it. Alright, that's out, and then you get the grommet out. Then we're gonna give it a good clean wipe down, put some gloves on, and then we'll be ready to hang it and start the powder coat process. Alright, so now we're just gonna figure out how we're gonna hang it, and I believe I'm just gonna hang it through this loop, and it kind of sits straight. That's what I want, for it to sit straight, because I have a tall oven. It's not fat at all. So I'm gonna hang it with that, or by that. Just grab the wire. Give it some slack. So it'll be like this. It'll hang like this. Then we gotta test it out. See how it looks. let's go over to the. Alright, dope. We're almost at temp 2. Maybe I should have tested it before I heated it up, but it's hot in there. So maybe that's a little too low. So I'm gonna raise it real quick. Usually I would do this with pliers. And that looks good. It's not touching any of the sides. I like. Now it's not touching any of the sides. So yeah, that'll be fine for now. So let's take it out and throw some powder on it. Alright, so this is my little setup. We hang the parts right here. Got your gun, your compressor, and that's all you need really. Gun and compressor for that. And then the oven's on the other side. Got to hang your parts. Got to fix this because it's touching. But part's good. Part is good. So, we're about to spray that on right now. So, let's get to it. Alright, so compressor's full of air, the gun's got the powder in it, and the oven is at temp. So we're gonna throw a coat on there, throw it in the oven for 15 or 10 minutes. I gotta double check with that. And throw on a second coat. And then we'll get to see the final product. So let's get to it right now. Alright, so we're gonna check the temperature on it, and it should be hot enough, which it is. So now we're gonna cool it down, because you only need it to stay at 400 for 2 minutes for this base coat. This is a base coat, so that's not the final coat. Then we gotta let it cool down. So I'm gonna just turn off the oven, kind of let it cool down in the oven. Don't have to worry about anything getting on it. Kind of leave it cracked, or not. I'll check the temperature, and we are at approximately 200 still, so it's still warm. I don't know if that's just in here. I'm not touching it. So we'll wait some more. Alright, so now we're looking at about, let me see if I can do 94, which is room temperature about now, or ambient, because it's hot outside. So that's a good temperature. So now we're going to spray the second coat, which is the top coat, and then after that let it bake, let it cool, and then it will be done, and then we can install it in the car and all this magnificent beauty. So let's do it. Alright, and now we wait. Alright, now I'm just making sure my part's at 400 or hot. It's at 397, 400, so we start the timer now for 10 minutes. Starting now. Alright, so timer's up, so that means it is ready to be cooled down, and then it's hot in there. Do y'all see that fire? That hot fire? Y'all can't see the color because it's too dark now. Now y'all gotta wait till tomorrow morning. So we're gonna let it cool down. Oh, maybe I should turn it off. So I'm gonna let it cool down, and then we can put it in. Alright, so I just pulled it out of the oven and it's looking so good. Look at it. Look at it. Let me get that focus. And it's dark right now, so I can't show it to you in the sun. But it is gorgeous. Let me see if I can get close. You can see me in it. You can see me in it. That's how beautiful it is. Alright, but you guys are just gonna have to wait until the morning, and then I'll show you that. It'll probably be on the car, but for now I can put these bushings and little rubber grommets back in for now. So I'm gonna do that right now. It's me. And that's her, and we're about to go slap it back in the car, and I'll show you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so what's up? It's the next day. I finished yesterday late-ish, so you guys couldn't really see it because it was dark outside, but now we got the pipe on the car. Now you can see it in the sun with all this glory. I haven't put the what is it called, cooling plate on yet, because so y'all can see it, but here. Alright, so this is the finished product. I don't know if you guys can see the flakes that's in it, if the camera's gonna show it, but that is the beauty there. Finished, matched up. Now everything matches. So we did upper intercooler piping, boom. Blow off valve, boom. Focus, boom. And then we also did the ETS intake. And more to come. That is not it. There is more to come. Speaking of that, Here's a hint right now. Boom, that's next. It's next. It has to be next. It's just that's gonna be the final popper. The popper. So, that's what's next to be coated. Boom. So, we won't have to see that thing anymore because it just throws off the car now. So, oh, and also, the cooling plate. Give me a second. Alright, so in the beginning of the video, I had to sand this piece because there was like a gouge in it. And I found out it was this plastic like line pushing into the aluminum, and it just kind of eventually like made a way in there. I did a fix, and I also did a little something else. Let me show you what I mean. Boom. So now you can see it through the cooling plate. So I cut that out, and then I kind of just sanded it a little bit, and so you can see it through there now. I mean, this is all dusty, but it's kind of cool. I like it. It's neat to me. So I thought about doing this part too, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do it? Should I do this part as well? But that's it. That's done. That is the upper intercooler piping powder coated finished. Tell me what you guys think. So as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see this build. Come on, you know you want to see it finished because we got long ways to go for this. But thanks, and that's a wrap.